Nearly 200 children have died so far amid the escalating conflict in the Middle East, highlighting the devastating human cost of the ongoing war involving Iran and the wider region. According to figures shared by United Nations Children's Fund (UNICEF), the casualties include children from several countries affected by the hostilities. The data indicates that the highest number of child deaths has been recorded in Iran, where 181 children have lost their lives since the conflict intensified. The figures underline growing concerns among humanitarian organizations over the impact of the war on civilians, particularly minors. UNICEF has described the statistics as deeply alarming, noting that nearly 200 children have died across the Middle East during the ongoing conflict. Apart from Iran, fatalities among children have also been reported in other countries in the region. According to the data, 7 children have died in Lebanon, 3 in Israel, and 1 child in Kuwait. The figures collectively point to the widening geographic impact of the conflict and its consequences for vulnerable populations. One of the most devastating incidents occurred in Minab, Iran, where a missile strike claimed 165 lives. Among the victims were 165 schoolgirls from a local school. Reports indicate that the 165 girls from the Minab school were buried together, marking one of the most tragic episodes linked to the ongoing conflict. The incident has drawn international attention to the growing toll of the war on children across the Middle East.